For a long time, attraction followed a predictable pattern. Men pursued, women responded, and effort was seen as proof of value. If you showed interest, stayed consistent, and tried hard enough, things were supposed to move forward. But the modern dating world has changed that dynamic completely. Today, attention is everywhere. Options are unlimited. Validation is instant. And because of that, effort alone no longer carries the weight it once did. Most men haven't adapted to this shift. When a woman becomes distant, they react on instinct. They try harder. They explain themselves. They increase communication and availability, believing that persistence will restore attraction. In reality, it often does the opposite. Overexposure removes intrigue. Predictability removes tension. And without tension, attraction fades. What many men fail to understand is that attraction is not logical, it's psychological. A woman doesn't value presence simply because it's there. She values it when it feels meaningful, selective, and at risk of disappearing. When your attention is constant, it becomes background noise. When it's removed with calm confidence, it becomes noticeable. This is not about playing games or manipulating emotions. It's about understanding how value is created and maintained in a modern environment. The men who leave an impact are not the ones who chase the hardest. They are the ones who know when to stop chasing, remain composed, and allow space to do what effort cannot. Because in today's world, absence speaks louder than explanation. When a woman begins to pull away, most men feel an immediate urge to react. The instinct is to fix the situation, explain intentions, ask questions, or seek reassurance. Silence feels risky, as if saying nothing means losing control. But in reality, silence is one of the strongest positions a man can take when it is used correctly. Silence is not avoidance. It is composure. It shows that you are not driven by fear, panic, or emotional dependency. Women are accustomed to attention. They expect messages, reactions, and emotional explanations when they create distance. When that expected response doesn't arrive, it creates internal pressure. The dynamic shifts from you seeking answers to her questioning what changed. Silence removes emotional access. Without constant communication, comfort disappears. And when comfort disappears, the mind begins to work. She may not have valued your presence when it was available, but the absence of it becomes noticeable. Loss is felt more intensely than consistency. The key is how silence is carried. It must be calm, not resentful. No long messages later, no emotional outbursts, no indirect reactions through social media. Real silence means stepping back without watching, waiting, or measuring her response. It is not a countdown until you text again. It is a decision to redirect your focus. When silence is grounded and controlled, it communicates confidence without saying a word. It tells her you are not chasing someone who isn't choosing you. That message is powerful because it forces her to feel something unexpected. And once curiosity replaces certainty, the balance begins to shift. When interest starts to fade, the most common mistake men make is holding on tighter. They increase effort, offer reassurance, and try to secure the connection before it disappears. While this may feel logical, it creates pressure. And pressure never builds attraction. It makes a woman feel trapped rather than drawn in. Pulling back is not giving up, it is restoring balance. When you reduce effort in response to reduced interest, you are not punishing her or acting out of ego. You are matching energy. This sends a clear signal that your time and attention have value and are not given unconditionally. A woman cannot miss a man who keeps forcing himself into her emotional space. Pulling back also demonstrates emotional control. Many men become reactive when they sense rejection. They become anxious, impulsive, or overly expressive. Staying calm and stepping back shows strength. It communicates that you can handle uncertainty without losing composure. That trait alone changes how a woman perceives you. As you pull back, your life continues forward. You don't wait by your phone or replay conversations. You stay engaged with your work, your goals, and your routine. This is what creates unpredictability. She expects you to chase. When you don't, it breaks her expectations and forces reflection. Often, pulling back invites a test, a short message, a casual check-in, or a small signal of interest. These are not commitments. They are probes. Don't rush to reward minimal effort. Let her step forward fully, and if she doesn't, you lose nothing. Walking away from someone who isn't choosing you preserves your self-respect, and that is never a loss. A woman only truly misses a man when she realizes that replacing him is not as easy as she assumed. If you blend in with every other option available to her, overly available, predictable, and eager to please, there is nothing distinct for her emotions to hold on to. Attraction doesn't cling to what feels common. It responds to what feels rare. Becoming difficult to replace starts with standards. A man with standards doesn't tolerate inconsistency, mixed signals, or disrespect just to keep someone around. He doesn't argue for basic communication or beg for clarity. When a woman realizes she cannot treat you casually, her perception of you changes. Respect becomes the foundation of attraction. Direction is another critical factor. You don't need status or wealth to be compelling. You need purpose. A man moving toward a goal has an identity that exists outside of romantic validation. When your life is centered on growth, not approval, a woman cannot position you as an emotional backup. She sees you as someone with momentum. Emotional maturity separates unforgettable men from forgettable ones. Most men react emotionally under pressure. They become defensive, insecure, or resentful. A mature man remains calm. He communicates when necessary, but he knows when to step back without drama. That level of self-control is rare, and rarity creates value. Finally, energy matters. Women remember how a man made them feel. If your presence brought stability, confidence, humor, or peace, that imprint doesn't disappear easily. You don't advertise these traits or demand recognition for them. You live them. When you continue improving without seeking her approval, the contrast becomes undeniable. Silence may start the process, but growth is what makes missing you unavoidable. Many men believe that staying visible keeps them relevant. They continue to text, react to stories, or send casual check-ins even after a woman's interest has faded. While this feels like staying connected, it actually prevents her from experiencing absence. A woman cannot miss what she still has emotional access to. Space is not punishment or indifference. It is allowing time and distance for emotions to surface naturally. When you remove yourself from her daily awareness, you create silence where reflection can happen. Without constant interaction, her mind begins to fill the gap. Memories resurface, comparisons form, questions arise. Initially, space often feels comfortable for her. She assumes control. She believes your attention is still available if she wants it. But as time passes and nothing changes, that certainty fades. The absence becomes noticeable. Not knowing what you're doing or how you feel introduces uncertainty, and uncertainty engages emotion. Giving space also protects your dignity. It keeps you from saying things you don't mean or acting from frustration. Calm distance communicates strength. It shows that you are not dependent on her presence to stay grounded. That realization changes how she views you. During this time, your focus must remain on your own life. You don't wait, monitor, or look for signs. You stay active, disciplined, and forward-moving. If she reaches out, you respond without urgency or emotional overflow. The dynamic has shifted. Space allows her to compare life with you and life without you. And if that absence feels heavier than she expected, missing you becomes unavoidable. A woman will never miss a man she believes is beneath her. When you treat her like the prize and position yourself as the one hoping to be chosen, the dynamic becomes unbalanced. Attraction fades when effort looks like submission instead of confidence. In the modern dating world, respect comes before desire. This doesn't mean becoming cold, dismissive, or arrogant. It means changing your mindset. You are not seeking validation. You are evaluating compatibility. When a woman senses that you respect yourself, she naturally adjusts how she engages with you. People value what cannot be easily controlled. Men who place women on a pedestal tend to overextend. They overexplain, overcommunicate, and overinvest in low effort. These behaviors signal dependency, not strength. A man who knows his value doesn't chase unclear interest. He responds without urgency. He doesn't rearrange his life for last-minute plans. His time matters. Being the prize is also about having a full life. Purpose creates gravity. When your focus is on your goals, growth, and responsibilities, a woman becomes a part of your world, not the center of it. This balance makes your presence feel chosen rather than needed. The truth is uncomfortable but simple. A woman only begins to value a man when she realizes he is perfectly fine without her, not bitter, not resentful, just grounded and moving forward. That calm independence creates challenge, and challenge keeps attraction alive. When you stop treating her like the prize and start treating yourself with respect, the dynamic shifts naturally. And when that happens, missing you becomes a matter of time. A woman rarely misses a man whose life comes to a halt when she walks away. Waiting, overthinking, and emotional stagnation communicate dependence, not value. Attraction grows when a man continues moving forward regardless of who stays or leaves. Momentum is powerful because it signals inner stability. Building a life that moves forward is not about proving anything or seeking attention. It's about genuine growth. When you improve your health, strengthen your discipline, expand your social circle, or pursue meaningful goals, it changes how you carry yourself. Confidence becomes natural, not forced, and that shift is noticed, even in silence. Most men decline after rejection. They withdraw from life, lose focus, and dwell on what went wrong. Growth sets you apart because it defies expectation. When a woman sees that you became stronger instead of bitter, her perception changes. She begins to associate you with progress, not loss. True growth is quiet. It doesn't require announcements or displays. People observe from a distance. Comparisons happen internally. When your life looks fuller and more grounded without her, it challenges the assumption that she was your source of happiness. A man with direction is difficult to forget, not because of status or appearance, but because discipline, purpose, and forward motion leave an imprint. When other options disappoint, the memory of stability and growth becomes more valuable. Building a life that continues to rise ensures one outcome regardless of her choice. If she returns, the dynamic is different. If she doesn't, you still win. Growth never loses its value. A woman rarely misses a man when she feels completely certain of his emotional availability. Certainty removes urgency. When she believes you will always be there, always respond, and always try again, there is no emotional risk in walking away. Attraction fades in the presence of guaranteed access. Many men unintentionally give away their power through emotional promises. Statements like, "I'll always be here," or "I'll wait no matter what," feel sincere, but they communicate predictability. Predictability feels safe, not compelling. Desire needs the possibility of loss to stay alive. Removing emotional guarantees does not mean becoming manipulative or withholding out of strategy. It means allowing your actions to reflect self-respect. You stop offering emotional security to someone who is not offering the same investment. Silence replaces explanation. Distance replaces reassurance. When that guarantee disappears, uncertainty enters her mind. She begins to wonder if you have moved on, if someone else has your attention, or if she misjudged your value. These thoughts arise not because you pressured her, but because you stopped providing unconditional access. If she reaches out, remain composed. Do not rush to reveal emotions or reopen the past. Emotional access must be earned again through consistent effort, not curiosity. When you no longer wait or promise, the balance shifts. You are no longer available by default. You are choosing. Even if she was never deeply invested before, uncertainty can change perception. When a woman realizes she could lose you permanently, the weight of that possibility settles in. A woman doesn't miss the man who waits endlessly. She misses the man who walks forward with confidence and lets his absence speak for him.